In this video, I am making Bob's Burgers Totally Radish Burger. Alright, the ingredients are together. It's time to get some prepping done. The first thing that I have to do is I have to grate the radish. So I'm going to cut off the ends and I'm going to grate that. When the radish is done, I'm going to move on to grating some cucumber. The cucumber, I'm going to go ahead and cut that into slices. Okay, so now I'm going to take the radish and I'm just going to cut it into slices. I'm going to go ahead and prepare the onion. It's pretty simple. Just cut off the ends and remove the outer skin. And then I want to go ahead and cut that into rings still, so that way it fits nicely on the burger. Once we have the cucumber grated and the radish grated, we're going to have that combined together in a colander and press out the liquid, because otherwise it's going to be way too much liquid in the mixture. And now let's go ahead and add in the fresh dill that we diced up. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add the onion to a skillet, and I'm going to saute that up. And it's going to make it so that way it's a little bit of browning, a little bit of caramelizing, but yet also translucent at the same time. It's going to cook for about a total of 6 minutes once it's fully heated and sauteed. Now that the onion is done, I'm going to go ahead and add in the radish, and same thing as I did with the onions. I'm going to let it cook off about 6 minutes at high heat. Now I'm going to go ahead and cook off the burgers. Ultimately, I only need to cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes each side, because this is a plant-based burger patty and we're not having to deal with any foodborne illnesses that could happen due to working with raw beef. So when it comes to Bob Belcher's burger, we're going to add the bun and the burger. Afterwards, we're going to go ahead and add the relish and top it off with the burger bun, and that's it. That is Bob's Burgers Totally Radish Burger. So when it comes to Bob's Burger, it's a good burger. I enjoy the relish because it adds a little bit of a sweetness from the cheese, but it also adds some fresh and earthiness from the radish and the cucumber. So to me, really, it only adds to the burger. It doesn't take anything away. It doesn't divert your taste buds, right? It keeps you on track to what you're eating. It is a good burger, but I feel like I can do a bit better. So when it comes to my burger, I'm going to be adding things a little bit differently than Bob did. So I'm going to put down the burger bun, the burger, and then that's where I'm adding in the sauteed onions, the sauteed radish, and then I'm adding in a vegan feta cheese on top of that, just straight up, without mixing it into the mixture. like Bob did. To me, that's better. You get more flavor of each ingredient, and it just elevates the burger. And then of course I'm adding in a second burger patty. That's optional, just like it's optional to add some fresh sliced cucumber. You don't have to add in the cucumber, but I recommend it. Just adds a little bit more moisture. Great burger. Thank you for tuning in and watching me today in this video. I hope you're making this at home yourself. I have a lot more great recipes coming your way real soon, because I'm your friend with food benefits, and I'll see you again real soon.